My first book of tractors. Tractors do lots of important jobs on the farm. Find 3 tractors in the picture. These tractors are off to work for the day. What color is each tractor? Tractors have big fat wheels. The wheels help them to drive over muddy, bumpy ground. How many wheels does this tractor have? Chuck, chuck, chuck. Tractors make a loud noise when they drive along. Can you make a noise like a tractor? Chuck, chuck. The farmer is mending the tractor's engine. Point to the tractor's engine. Point to the tractor's steering wheel. Every day, the tractor needs to be filled with diesel to make it go. This is the farmer's wife. What is she doing? This tractor is pulling a plow. This plow breaks up the soil ready for planting. How many birds can you see in the picture? The farmer is unloading sacks of seeds to plant in the field. Look at the pictures on the sacks. What do you think the farmer is going to plant? A cabbage, carrots, sweet corn, potatoes. The farmer is taking vegetables to market in the trailer. What vegetables can you see in the trailer? What fruit can you see in the picture? Tractors are very strong. They can push and pull heavy things. What do you think this tractor is doing? This tractor is driving through the snow with a load of hay. Who do you think the hay is for? Tractors get very muddy, working in the fields. What is the farmer doing? At the end of the day, the farmer puts the tractor away in its shed. Would you like to be a farmer and drive a tractor?